The asphalt paver is laying down the road. Look, it's transforming. Wow, that is so cool. Yeah, go!
B is for bulldozer. Look at that massive blade pushing the dirt. The cement mixer is here to help. And look, it's transforming into a powerful robot.
Hooray! Wow, look at the excavator dig.
Whoa, it's transforming into a robot. That is awesome. Forklift uses its powerful forks to lift the heavy pallets. And now, watch this amazing transformation.
The grader is smoothing the dusty road. Now watch the cinematic transformation into the grader robot. Whoa, that was amazing! Go, Hammer Drill, go!
This is the mighty impact roller. It compacts the ground with its heavy drum. And look, it can transform.
The jackhammer is breaking the rocks!
Wow, look! It's transforming into a robot!
Wow, look at the knuckle boom lift that steel!
Yeah, and look, it's transforming into a robot.
Woohoo! This is the loader, everyone. It helps us build things big and strong.
Wow, look at that! Hooray!
The mobile crane uses its boom to lift the heavy beams. Look, it's transforming into the mighty mobile crane robot.
Look, it's the pile driver. Whoa, it's transforming! Yeah, super robot!
Wow, look at that massive haul truck. And now, watch the incredible transformation into a powerful robot. Look at the paver go! Wait, what's happening? It's transforming into the powerful Mega Paver robot.
Yeah, dump the rocks! Wow, look at it transform! Go, quarry robot, go!
The road roller is hard at work compacting the road. Look, it's transforming! The mighty road roller robot.
Look, it's a skid steer loader.
Whoa, it's transforming into the super skid steer robot.
Look, it's the tower crane.
Whoa,
Did you see that?
awesome! It turned into a robot.
Look, it's the utility truck. It's lifting those pipes.
Wow, a transforming robot.
Look, kids, it's the vibratory roller. It's smoothing the ground so we can build something amazing.
The water truck is spraying water to keep the dust down. Wow, look at that amazing transformation.
The extreme crane is lifting heavy structures. Look, kids, it's transforming.
Yay, we did it!
Look, it's the yard truck. The letter Y is for yard truck. Wow, look at that amazing transformation.
Wow, look at the extreme truck go. It's carrying a massive load. And now, watch this amazing transformation.